Mga ka-psych, hindi ka ba nagtataka kung bakit may iba't ibang pag-uugali ang mga tao? Ang psychosexual theory ay isa sa maraming theory that can help us understand how people grow up and how their feelings and behaviors change as they get older. One of the most famous people who came up with the psychosexual theories is si Sigmund Freud. He believed na ang ating mga feelings and behaviors ay nag-i-influence sa mga bagay na nangyari sa atin when we are very young, kahit na bago pa lang tayo magkaroon ng memories. Ayon kay Freud, may iba't ibang stages ng development ang pinagdadaanan ng lahat. Tara, pag-usapan natin yan. The first stage is called the oral stage. Imagine mo nung bata ka pa, nung baby ka pa, and all you could do was eat at mag-chup-chup ng imong pacifier at daliri. Freud thought that during this stage, babies learn about the world through their mouths. So, if a baby doesn't get enough love and attention during this time, they might grow up to be someone who craves attention all the time. The next is the anal stage. This is when kids start to learn about going to the bathroom. Kumbaga, ito yung potty training stage. Freud thought na kung ang mga bata ay may problema sa potty training, they might grow up to be messy or sobrang neat and organized. Then, there's the phallic stage. This is when kids start to notice the differences between boys and girls. Ayon kay Freud, boys might develop feelings para sa kanilang mothers at makita ang kanilang fathers as rivals. Similarly, girls might develop feelings para sa kanilang fathers at makita ang kanilang mothers as rivals. But don't worry, this doesn't mean that everyone actually feels this way. It's just a theory. Gets? After that comes the latency stage, where not much really happens according to Freud. It's like a calm stage where kids focus more on school and making friends. Finally, there's the genital stage. This is when people start to become more interested in romantic relationships. Ay, kung meron kang problem sa anumang stage bago ito, maaari itong makaapekto on how you feel and act in relationships as adult. That's all. Thank you!